Hello everyone, welcome back again to another Foxtech video. Today I'm going to explain how you can use the night mode on your iPhone. When we talk about night mode, you might be thinking of a few different features. We'll cover both a dark mode within iOS and a night mode in the iPhone camera, so let's get started. First, let's talk about the dark mode. Dark mode, also referred to as night mode, changes the appearance of your iPhone's interface. It's gonna turn the white backgrounds into black ones. This makes it easier on your eyes, especially at night or in low light environments. It helps reduce eye strain and makes using your phone more comfortable in the dark. To enable dark mode, swipe down to access the control center. Find the brightness slider, then press and hold down on it. You'll see a few options pop up, including a moon icon or something like that, and tap on it to turn on the dark mode. This will invert the screen colors, turning the interface dark. You can also schedule dark mode to turn on and off automatically. This is a great option if you want to activate it at sunset and deactivate it at sunrise. To do this, go to Settings, Display and Brightness, and go to the dark mode section and customize it and schedule according to your preferences. Now let's move on to the other type of night mode, which is in the iPhone camera. The night mode enhances photos taken in low light conditions. If you're in a well-lit environment, you won't see the night mode option. It only pops up when the surroundings are dark enough. To see this in action, cover the camera lens to stimulate a dark environment, and you'll notice the night mode icon, which looks like a moon, appear on the top of the screen. By default, your iPhone decides how long the photo should be exposed based on the lighting conditions. The exposure time can range from 1 to 10 seconds. However, you can customize this by tapping on the moon icon. This allows you to manually adjust the exposure time, giving you more control over your night shots. This is really useful for capturing stunning night photos with more detail and clarity. And that's it. By using both dark mode and camera night mode, you can enhance your iPhone experience a lot. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Foxtech for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time.